Hey there, I am Danish Mir, also known as DM Designs. I am a 2D 3D animator who loves creating unique non photorealistic art using Blender 3D. I am excited to share my new course, Stylized Retro Anime Style Illustration. In this 5 hours course, we will explore how to give a simple kitchen scene a spatial retro look by mixing both 2D and 3D elements with cool shading and lighting technique. We will begin by setting up our retro kitchen scene and learning the basics of tone shading. From there, we will explore how to blend tone shading with realistic materials to create a unique look. As we progress, we will add line art, incorporate the extra details using the grease pencil, and enhance the scene with creative lighting effects. In the final stage, we will bring all these elements together to create a polished composition. Plus, the course includes the Blender project file so you can easily follow along, study each step, and truly understand how everything comes together. Whether you are new to Blender or have some experience, this course will help you dive into a unique style that stands out. Are you ready to create standout 3D art? Then what are you waiting for? Enroll now at dmdesigns.in and start your creative journey today.